Hey everybody there at Infinitysolar. My name is Esmeralda here with SEO Monster Design. Today I'm just going to shoot you a quick little video, and it's basically just going over your website and just seeing what's working well and what's not. I will also be looking over your competition's websites and just seeing what's working for them. And then I'm going to give you guys 3 tips that you guys can also use to dominate your competition online. So let's get started. The 3 things that we'll be covering today is going to be content, citations, and backlinks. These are actually very important things when it comes to ranking your website and bringing in new clients for your services. The first thing we're going to be looking at is content. Keep in mind, to Google, content is king. The more content you have, the more you look like an expert in the matter and the more favor you have into Google's eyes. By content, what I mean is the words in your front page and the pictures. You use the more the better. You want to have at least about 1,500 keywords in the front page. 2 reasons. Number 1, content is king. And number 2, you can fit more keywords that people are actually searching on Google, and spread them around your page. So by content, I mean like everything that, like all this stuff that I have written, like, underlined here, that's actually as content. And by the looks of it, you guys don't really have any at all. And also by saving like your pictures into keywords that people are actually typing into Google. So what I mean by that is, if you go here and we go to save image as you can see here, it just gives you numbers and it gives you letters. So your images aren't really saved as anything in particular. So if we are looking to target, let's say in Albuquerque, you would want to type in solar systems in Albuquerque, and you can save your pictures as that. And by doing that, that will actually bring power to your website. So I went ahead and I pulled up your competitors, and as you can see, they actually have a little bit more content than what you guys do, but not as much as Google would like. So looking at their website is very beatable. We can do it. Alright, so I am going to show you something here. I went ahead and I pulled your website and your competitor's website on a tool called Ahrefs, and this actually allows me to look at the back end of your website. So we're here looking at the back end of your website. We are looking at the DR. What the DR means is the trust that Google has with your website, and the UR is the power, is the strength of your website. As you can see, Google trusts you 11, and then your power is actually 0.4. So looking at your competitors, Google actually really trusts them. Google trusts their website, and then their DR is their strength, which is very powerful. But it's nothing that you guys can't beat out. Now, we're going to go ahead and look at some keywords here. You guys actually have 10 keywords in your website, and those 10 keywords actually helps your website bring in like 6 people in traffic wise. So that is not too great. Now, if we go over here and we look at your competitors, their keywords 3.0K. So that's how many keywords they have on their website. So when people search them up, they're actually bringing in like 2.2K traffic by their keywords. But you look at this number and it seems like, oh my god, it's a very big number. How are we going to beat that? So if you go and you click on their keywords, we can actually see here that like positive energy solar, that is not really a specific keyword. Over here it tells us how many people look it up. 400 people search up positive energy solar, if we were to do positive energy solar in Albuquerque, because this is what we're targeting, it can help bring in more of your people. So Albuquerque Solar, 450 people are actually searching this up. So you would want this specific keyword into your website. And so we would come here and we would get the keywords that we actually want to use, and we will put them in your website. But you got to keep in mind that you don't want every single keyword that this company has, because positive energy right here, they're going down, so you don't want to use all the keywords, specifically every single one that they have. You just want to get the ones that are targeting the place that you want it to target. And if we go here, we can look at your guys' keywords. And by looking at your words, Infinitysolar, 1.6K people actually look up your company. But for that keyword, you're actually in the position 4th, which actually is on the second page of Google. Contact Infinity, you're looking at 36th place in Google. So this is a position that your keywords that you have in your website, and this is a position in Google that you actually are in. So which we can bring that up by using the correct keywords. Now let me show you how you guys can actually get power to your website by backlinks. So backlinks, what that is the link on somebody else's website that points back to yours. You want to have them on powerful websites, because if you put it on weak ones, it will actually weaken your websites. So that's another thing that you guys need. So now the third tip I have here is the map pack. The map pack is important because when you look up solar system, a lot of people just go to the front page of Google, and they're more likely to get the phone calls than if people just continue and scroll down. So it's really important for you guys to get on here, because you are not on this map pack, and it's very easy to get on there, and we will be more than glad to help you guys. So once again, we went over content, citations, and backlinks. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you guys have any questions or need more information about anything, feel free to give us a call here at 806-268-7118. Thank you so much.